Rain and rivers. All life on the earth is very crucially depend upon water. As you know, over 71% of earth's surface is covered with water. We depend upon water for growing crops. Such clouds and rainfall after the unbearable heat of April, May and June comes the rainy season. Evaporation. There are several water bodies on the earth's surface: oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. There is constant evaporation of water from these water bodies. Water cycle of the process of water evaporating from the seas from forming water cycle, the process of water evaporating from the seas forming clouds in the sky coming down as rain. Winds and clouds. Since evaporation takes place all over this earth's surface, clouds are also being formed all over. Rain and tributaries, condensation, annual rainfall, floodplains and floods. A river does not contain the same amount of water all the year around, while the river is full during the rainy season. Facing the challenges in cyclones and floods, our state has a long coastline and facing the challenge in cyclones and floods, our state has a long coastline and it is frequently faced with very destructive cyclones. How can people meet the challenge of disasters like cyclones and floods? Food, water and medical emergency teams should be kept ready whenever there is a forecast of cyclone. Rivers, have you seen rainwater following in small streamlets on sloping land? Water flows in small streams from the mountain slopes during the rainy season. Rain gauge, an instrument by which the rainfall is measured, is known as rain gauge. Rainfall in Andhra Pradesh. When the southwest monsoon sets around the beginning of June, the winds carrying the clouds also reach Andhra Pradesh. Formation of clouds and rain. When water vapor rises with the hot air and reaches high up in the sky, it gets cooled. Formation of clouds and rain. When water vapor rises with hot air and reaches high up in the sky, it gets cooled.